Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add makeup to your videos if you, for instance, forgot to put on makeup or whatever. So if you're on the video tab, you're just going to select enhance. You're going to then scroll down and you're going to tick the makeup button. So there's single mode and there's multiple mode. If you have more than one person, you can definitely choose the multiple mode for that one, but I only have one person, so I'm just going to select single mode. You can do like a full face of makeup. Like this is like the set ones. These are the set ones, and like they add in like the full makeup on you, and you can like adjust the opacity of the makeup. If you don't want to and you want to add it one by one, you can like add in just the eyelashes, for instance, like that. And then the eyeshadow as well. If you want to add in like eyeshadow, just adjust it. And like for lipstick as well, you can add that to your video. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!